Kevin Bruegge, owner of Bruegge Autobody. Well, I grew up on a farm, so we were always around machinery and equipment and always fixing things as they broke. And then as I got into high school and got my license, I couldn't keep my foot out of the pedal, so I started wrecking my cars, and then I figured it'd probably be cheaper to learn how to fix the body rather than pay somebody to do it, and found out that wasn't necessarily the case, but I stuck with it and went to college for it and really enjoy it, and got about 12 years experience under my belt now. I wanted to be able to be an independent and still put a good high quality product out there for the customer. I do enjoy doing restoration projects. I like to venture out more into the restoration and the older car market, but primarily right now our focus is doing the insurance work and the collision work for the customers. It's always their choice as to where they want their vehicle to be taken. Don't let the insurance companies push you into going to one of their preferred shops if you don't feel comfortable with their shop. I really enjoy the people. I enjoy talking to the customers. I enjoy getting to know them. They feel like part of family to me.